this is the best temperature wireless reading gauge. This thing is amazing. Alright, so let's do this. So stick this in the vent. Be careful because it's not going to go all the way in. Hold on.
Like that, right? Hold it.
Let me see. Okay. Open that vent. Is it still cold? Let's check the scan too. Refrigerant pressure 11.4. I mean, it's reading 77, so that's not pretty good. 77, that's not good.
The temperature?
Yeah. See?
Yeah, but it's supposed to be under 60, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's low.
Correct. And ambient temp is 84, so